All right, today we're going to bring a light bulb fan, and this has an LED light and it's a light bulb ready. Now they do give an extension if you have those recessed lights and you want to replace it with one of these permanent or temporary, you can do that. Now the blades are not installed out of the box, you got to install them. They do give you a remote control, and the remote control is very simple to use. All right, now you got a couple of things. You got the light, you got your actual fan, you got different hours 1 through 4 on and off, and then you got the different settings for your fan in here. Right, so we're going to put this to use and see how it works. All right, so first of all, out of the box, you got to install all the propellers, and it's very simple. It's just adjust, and they tell you which one's up and down. All right, they tell you in the system, or it won't go in, and they only have one entry. So let's put it together and see how it works. All right, first of all, we're going to start with the light. I'm going to show you how bright it is. This thing is super bright, and it's just a small little light, but it's giving a lot of lumens. So let's see. Let me widen it out, the shot. All right, there's the ambiance. It gives it beautiful lighting effect. Control, you could control it here. Change the light mode to different tones. If you guys can see, off, 1, 2, 3, and then it turns off completely. Look how dark it is in here, and it gives it a lot of light. We're gonna hit the fan. You turn on the fan first. You hit 1, and then it goes in 1. All right, and then 2, 3, 4, and then off. Hit the off button, and it turns off. So we're turning it off completely, but it's very simple, easy to use, easy to install. It's simple. You can install it on any lamp, any light bulb fixtures that you have, anything you want. I like that you could turn off, you could change the lighting effect. Look at that, completely darkness. So that's a great thing you could do here. The fan's a plus thing. Not only the fan, but the light is beautiful. Great touch, easy to install, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.